I've got this truck out with me, this Maverick Quantum. I'm just gonna try and speed run it, man, on 3S. Again, try and see if I can beat 40 miles an hour. 3S, because we've got 40 miles an hour down by the graveyard the other day, innit? So oh, meter come off already, man. Jeez. Meter already come off. Body's rubbing. The body's rubbing, man. I should have cut more on the body. Jeez. Fucking hell. I'm trying to do this on looking out for the feds, man. Because the road, innit? Probably get nicked. Probably get nicked, bro. Watching out for the pull. Yeah, the body's rubbing, man. That's full throttle. Jeez! 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 That was a full throttle pass. Keeps going on this roof. Thank you, thanks. See if the meter's still on there, man. Yeah, I should have cut more of the body, man. It's rubbing at the rear. Shit. Yeah. Probably not getting top speed, man. Because it's rubbing. I don't want to hit the cars, innit? That van there. That's why I slowed down. Jeez! That's full. That's full. Oh! Right on the curb. Let's leave it there, man. Leave it there. Right on the curb, bruv. Leave it there, man. It's a bit risky. Risky roads. I've got a couple of full passes there. 38, man. Not quite 40, 38. I need to take it somewhere where, yeah. .38. Trying to self-right it, it's not working. Oh! Oh, leave it there, man. Risky roads. Leave it there. Risky roads, bruv. Oh, Jesus, this Maverick's taking a hammering, man. It's taking a hammering. I wonder if this screw is still secure. Oh, what's happened? Yeah. The rear drive shaft's come loose. It's come out again. The rear drive shaft. It's come out. Taking a battering. Leave it there with this dude.